YouTube family, how y'all doing tonight? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, man. We gonna talk stock market. We gonna look at a few different tickers that was on our radar today. We gonna talk Tesla. We seen the nice run up in Tesla, but family, if you was able to make some money in Tesla today, let me know in the comments below. If you were in the Discord and you seen the call out that I put out, go ahead and let me know that in the comments below as well. If you didn't believe that we was ready to rock it to those levels right there, let me know that in the comments below, because I know it was some naysayers out there. I know we had some people that didn't think it was going to get there, but when Tesla turned on those rockets and start running, made everybody believer. This is a game of patience. Nothing is going to happen in a straight line. They got to sit there and simmer, but once they start knocking out key decision-making levels, man, we know where we going. We going to the next level. I'm just sitting back with my arms folded. I already know where we going. And that's why I give you the levels that I give you. I'm not going to put out anything that I don't believe in. And we was able to witness it in real time, the power that Tesla had. And it ain't just me calling the shots to the upside, family. I'm letting you know that, hey, this is a take profit area. It's time to get up out of that play if you got short dated contracts. And we seen what happened. Tesla consolidated in that area and they start pulling back. But family, we going to talk Tesla, SPY, all that good stuff here in a minute. But before we dive into all that, y'all do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Newbies, beginners, y'all come on up. I'm going to throw a few different earning plays out there for your newbies, your advanced traders, your big baller shot callers. And then we're going to get into some of the regulars that we follow on the day to day. But first one out of the gate, we're going to throw ticker symbol ENPH. Their report Tuesday at close. They're sitting at 36.80. If you are a bull in this, you want to see them open higher than 37.15. They can do that. Next target, boom, you got 37.60. Next run up, you got 38.10. Next after that is 38.40. They consolidate above there. Check this move. Boom, you got 39.40 in play. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 36.20. If they can do that right there, their next push down is going to be trying to shoot down to this stuff right here at 35.20. And then boom, you got 34.30 in play. Advanced traders, first ticker for you guys is going to be ticker symbol SBUX. They report Wednesday at closing. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them preferably open higher than 87.75. If they can start consolidating above that level, they can slow grind this thing all the way up to this 89.75. You got turbulence in here. They hold above 90.15. You got boom, 91.40 in play. So that will be a nice ride up. But first things first, you need to see the bulls consolidate above 87.80. They can do that. They can shoot their shot to that almost $90 area. You got 89.75 to be exact. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 86.50. They can do that. Their next push down is going to be to this stuff down in here at 86.05. Turbulence at 85.80. They lose that level right there. Check this out. Boom, you got 85.30 in play. Big baller shot callers, y'all come on up. First ticker for you guys is going to be ticker symbol AAPL. Apple. They report Thursday at closing. And if you see, they're having a nice run up. They're sitting at 268.70. You want to see them open around that level right there to continue this run to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 265. If they can get back down to that level, they can start running this thing down. You got a level at 262.50, an area of interest at 262.05, and then boom, they coming back down to 258.75. Do not rule out a pullback. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol AMZN. They report Thursday at closing. If you are a bull in this one, they're sitting at 227.70. You want to see them get to this level at 228.60. Their next run up is going to be to this 229.45 heavy level right there. So respect that. They consolidate above that. They're going to start trying to run this thing past 230, 231. To the downside, you want to see them open up lower than 220. 226.25. They can do that. They're going to shoot their shot right back down to 225.15. Consolidating up under that, you got this level down here at 224. Then boom, you got 223.10 in play. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol COIN. They report Thursday at closing. If you are a bull in this one, you need to see them recover this level right here at 365.05. They can do that. The next run up is 367.20. Them holding that. You got another area of interest at 370.10, and then boom, you got 373.55. Consolidating above that, they can push this thing all the way to this 390 area. They can really get the booming holding that level right there. So if earnings is what Wall Street expects, or if they're rocking with that report, it's nothing for us to see this 390 level get knocked out. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than this level right here at 357.40. They can do that. Next level down is going to be 353, and then boom, you got 349.45 in play. All right, family, that's a few different earning plays that you can add along with the other stocks that you follow throughout the session. I'm gonna go ahead and give a quick look at two of the favorites that we follow on a day-to-day basis. The SPY. Let's go ahead and take a look at the SPY. If you see, they're still running. They're in all-time highs. They're sitting at 685.75. If you are a bull, you need to see them open up higher than that area, somewhere preferably around 387. If you are a bull, you would like to see them open somewhere around 387. Consolidating in that area, you would likely think that their next push up would be somewhere around that 690 area. You know me, I don't play the all-time highs because, man, Wall Street is hiding in those bushes like a lion or a tiger. They're hiding around that corner waiting to snatch your profits away. So I don't like that kind of drama. I stay away from it. I wait for a healthy pullback and then ride the train back up. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than this 383.10 area. If they can do that right there, that'll suggest some pullback motion. You got 382.10 after that. And if bears really get the pushing, they can drop this thing all the way back down to this 678.60 level. So there you go with that one. But last but not least, you know we can't get up out of here without the play of the day. We had Tesla, and man, if we take it back to the Discord, I put out at 10:18 this morning, I said, Tesla, bulls are in a bearish supply zone. Bulls would need to get this above, here we go, that decision-making level up at 451.95. Hold in there, bulls will target 458.85. Family, that is a amazing run catching that right at that break. I'm letting you know what the bears got to do. Bears, we ain't talking to bears until bears can get back under 439.40. And man, again, you see this walk down right here, you already know what's going down. I'm letting you know. How about those levels? Turbulence at 456.10. Holding that level, hello, 458.85 in play. And man, you see us pumping it up. Expect anything different? You shouldn't. We see this on a day-to-day basis. This ain't something that we do today and, you know, we don't knock another one out to next week. You see it day in and day out. Each and every day, we over here grinding, we getting it, we getting busy daily. But family, let's go ahead and take it to the charts. In Tesla, if you are a bull and you interested in this one, this decision maker, I told you they was going to struggle. They just not going to tap through and explode through a decision making level. I told you bears are in the building. If we go back to the Discord, I think I even said it. I said, yep, it's safe to say that we are bullish in here. I said heavy level here, though, kind of a take profit zone until bulls can get this above 463.70. I give you the levels to get through it. But I said, remember, greed kills the portfolio. I said, bears are in the building. 458.85 through 459.15 on a burst up. Don't get sucked into an entry here. Bears are in the building, and it's a heavy level. And again, if we just taking it to the charts, we seen what happened. There's the level. Look what happened. They dropped this thing all the way back down to 447. But like I told you guys in the Discord, Tesla can drop $20 more and still be bullish. bullish. Tesla got firepower unlike no other ticker out there. So respect Tesla's zones, respect the decision-making levels. As long as we above those areas right there, man, these are just minor pullbacks right there before they start identifying or eyeing key levels to the upside. So if you are a bull in this one, they're sitting at 452.65. You would like to see them get back to this 459.10 area. They can do that right there. Next decision making level is at 465.15, and then boom, they're going to run this thing to 473.50. Consolidating above, you got boom, 488.35 in play. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 446.90. They can do that. They're going to shoot their shot back to another decision making level at 439.40. Next push down is this level down to 432.10. Anything else we will call live in the Discord. That way you know what any of these plays is trying to do. Family, I want to throw a reminder out there. Remember, we got Fed Powell in the building on Wednesday. Try not to be tied down in too many positions. You definitely want to have some money to have available for this event. This will be a huge money-making opportunity event that go down on Wednesday. We know Powell moves the market like no other. So that's all I got for you today. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I see you tomorrow first thing in the Discord. Until then, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.